Folks, hey, Leo ni Leo. Today is today. Okay, now folks, I am coming to you from Pipeline. So today, allow me to use a lot of English because some folks are telling me, Ezra, we can't get you. Okay, there are folks who are watching from elsewhere. They're loving the content, but they're like, Ezra, I can't get what you're saying. But if I use English, obviously, even we Kenyans will understand it. Sindio, I are very well. Now, folks, I am coming live to you from Pipeline, and let me tell you, this apartment that I'm presenting today, okay, it's an entire apartment with 1-bedroom units only, and I love it. I love it because I have been saying 1-bedrooms are scarce in Nakuru, and you know what? Half of this apartment is already booked. Imagine it has been booked, yet the fundis have not left ground. Can you imagine? Half of it has been booked, and I'm sure once folks get this video again, half of what is remaining, which will make it now 3/4, from me alone, it will also get booked. Hey, folks, developers, landlords, diaspora, I've been telling you, 1-bedrooms are scarce in Nakuru, and the moment they appear like this, folks just jump on it, and the units just get finished in a matter of a week. Like this one, imagine, units are being booked before even the owner says now, everything is complete. People are just booking, and they are waiting for around February there, mid-February. It's when the owner will allow them in, because okay, let me just show you the parking, for example. Okay, see the parking? Imagine, you can see the parking there. It is yet to be, to be cabro paved there, all right? But imagine folks have booked these units. And now, folks, this apartment here presents a unique design that I've not seen in Nakuru. Okay, this one I've not seen anything like this in Nakuru. Folks, have you seen a 1-bedroom Ensuite? In the entire of Nakuru, I'm telling you, this is the only 1-bedroom Ensuite in the whole of Nakuru. There is nothing like this. Now, let's go inside. I've already talked to the developers, to the landlords. Now, let me talk to the one who is looking for a 1-bedroom unit in Nakuru. And you can imagine it is how much? 14,000 Kenya shillings, inclusive of water and garbage. Hey, folks, we are in Pipeline. That's why the price is like that. Okay, you come from that side rather. And then when you get here, I'm just using one unit as a sample. Okay, one unit that was clean as a sample, and even this one has been booked. Can you imagine? Even this one has been booked already. So folks, this is the unit. That is the lounge. Okay, that's the lounge. It's a spacious lounge, and there's a window on that side, and I actually like, this open design. Okay, this open design here, because now light comes from, both sides, that side of the kitchen and also from this side of the lounge. Okay, that's what I'm saying. I really like this design. Now, the tiles, I don't know, somebody may feel like, I don't know, is the brown popping out a lot? But I think they are decent, and by the time folks are booking these, apartment, half of it is booked. Folks don't care how those tiles, are looking. But actually, they are not that busy, okay? Right, so I'm in the kitchen. Immediately, I'm in the kitchen, and I love the fact that there is a lot of countertop space here, space here kupika chapati. There is that fan of mine who usually asks me, Ezra, where is space for cooking chapati, for rolling chapatis? This is, plenty of space for rolling chapatis. And of course, now on this side, this can be your dining table of sorts. You can always dine from there, instead of adding a separate table in that lounge. Although I feel it can still fit. If you do like a 5-seater, you can still slot a dining table on that corner, maybe a 2-seater dining table. All right, folks, we continue up to that moment. I really like the design, very modern, open kitchen. Wow, wonderful place. Now, this side, so this is the common toilet and bathroom, right? Now, unfortunately, for that bathroom girl, in my comments again, there is one who calls herself bathroom girl. Let's see if we have something of her taste. So we have that, wash basin there, and of course a mirror, important. Okay, now let's check out the common toilet. Now, unfortunately, bathroom girl, I don't know, here the shower comes before the toilet. So bathroom girl, unfortunately, you may have to do with a wet toilet here. Anyway, now there's still, you know, some other things to like. You know, there's that toilet handle, towel handle, sorry. Okay, and of course the tiles, you know, the bathroom tiles, they are really easy. Okay, they are nice, they are classy, and they are easy on the eyes. And even the ones, you know, the bathroom tiles there on the floor, they are nice as well. The toilet seat is on that side, and of course, you know, there's a small window there for ventilation. Okay, so pulling back like that, this is the bedroom. Now, the first thing I like here is how spacious this bedroom is. That is huge. And now we have two windows. Can you imagine? We have two windows there, meaning there is a lot of natural light coming into this room. You know? Okay. Just look at the space. Just look at the space from this angle. It is really spacious. And even the wardrobes, man. Just look at the wardrobes. I mean, from top to bottom, you know, there's plenty of storage in there. And of course, you know, the partitioning is good. I like that. Okay, yeah, the partitioning is good. Even, you know, on this side here, the partitioning is quite good. Folks, hey, I told you, man. Have you seen our one bedroom that is Ensuite? And this is the Ensuite bathroom, and again, toilet. Bathroom girl, I don't know. Will you do with this? Bathroom girl, you will watch this video, I know. So let me know in the comments, would this one work for you? All right. Now, one thing they told me though that I felt disappointed is that you, the client, will have to come with a shower head. So they're not installing shower heads for you now. That's the only thing I felt like, come on, man, why? You know, why does it have to be like that? So anyway, that's how it's looking. So, but in terms of the spacing, you know, the space is really good here, and even the plan is good. The design is great. Now, look at that balcony there. It is huge. It is wide, you know. It's really wide. It's really wide, and most importantly, again, we have a socket out here. So, like, you know, they really assumed that one day you may come out here just to catch a cool breeze, and of course, you may need to charge your phone or even your laptop, you know, as maybe, oh yeah, perhaps you are with your mpoa wako, permanent wako. In Kenya, we call them permanent, your loved one, and maybe you are just, you know, having stories there while you are watching Netflix or something. So that socket comes in handy. Folks, hey, now tell me, now I can talk in Swahili so that my TikTok fellows. Now, still in the lounge here, just see, I mean, they have done cable TV there. We have sockets on this side, and on the opposite side, you know, electrical sockets, which is wonderful, okay? And even, I mean, in the kitchen, again, it's the same. I see some sockets there for your fridge, you know, and for your cooker. A 6-burner gas cooker will fit there. I forgot to tell you, a 6-burner gas cooker will fit in this space. Okay, can you imagine? Okay. Now let's go out here. Doors are banging left, right, and center. Now, folks, remember I told you this apartment has been half booked, yet the fundis have not left site. Let me show you this unit here. I mean, the units are all the same. I just used one as a sample, but imagine you can see like this one here, just briefly too, you can see on this unit they are working on the wardrobes. You see, they are working on the wardrobes. I don't want to go much there, but you can imagine like that side, the entire of that side, especially those folks who tell me, Ezra, I want one on the corner. Folks, all that block is booked. All that entire block has been booked. That corner, that block has been booked. All right, and the parking, of course, will be enough for these folks. And I'm assuming not everybody will have a car here, so the parking will be enough for everyone. Maybe I can just peep through the window here and see this bedroom. Okay, you see? Yeah, I see some, you know, some stuff there down. Yeah, some stuff down there. So yeah, okay. Sorry, Fundi. Just. So that's a fundi. He's the one working on the wardrobes there. Unfortunately, okay, he just came on camera. Well and good, doesn't mind. Yeah, so folks, I was telling you, this entire block is booked. That block is booked. So you can only choose something on this side. I don't know if this one is open. I don't know if this one, yeah, this one is open. But anyway, the units are all the same. Okay, it is open dining. All these units here, they are the same. Open dining with a huge balcony, you know, spacious kitchen, you know, the balcony is on this side. Let's see. Wow, 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 wow. This is even a lot larger. Man, this one is a lot larger than even the units on the corner. So for those folks who say, I want a corner unit, perhaps you may do with a central unit here, because the balcony, oh, balcony is huge. Acres of space, man. All right, so folks, up to that point, I'm done with the review of this place. Now let's talk while we are looking at each other. Oh, by the way, folks, from here to the tarmac is just, okay, can I car pass there so that you see? From here, the tarmac is 150 meters. There is a tarmac road that passes there, which is a pipeline, down, going down to Mzee Wanyama, and of course, is the one going to town. So it's somewhere there, okay? So from here to the tarmac road is just 150 meters. Of course, again, from here to Pipeline Center is about 300 meters. The Kenya Pipeline is just, you know, somewhere there again. So it's just 150 meters. You can go to a supermarket there. You can, you know, some shops there to buy groceries, etc. and stuff. Yeah, what's more, I told you, the rent is inclusive of water and garbage. So perhaps the only thing you will incur is cost of internet. So installing your internet, but they have done, you know, the cabling, the wiring, etc. So you'll only incur, you know, the payment, the monthly payment subscription, okay? Depending on which supplier, internet provider you will choose. Sindo hivyo. What more? Yeah, somebody told me one day, Ezra, you never talk about garbage. There's a point down there where, you know, you slot in your garbage, you know, from this side. And when the garbage guys come, the garbage collectors, every Friday, they pick it from the outside. I can't wait for them to finish that packing, because this place will be really neat. But just bringing to your attention that if you delay, unfortunately, you are going to miss. And one bedrooms, the way they are scarce in Nakuru, unfortunately, man, I don't know. I mean, if you miss out on this one, then I can't help. There are two from here. I'm standing. That's a 2-bedroom. 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 I mean, 2 bedrooms are all over. But for the 1-bedroom, man, unfortunately, if you miss out on these ones, they are in pipeline. 14,000. All right, folks, subscribe to Ezra ONDARA TV for more house tours like this in Nakuru. And remember, when it comes to house hunting in Nakuru, Ezra ONDARA is the way, the truth, and the only way. See you in the next one.